Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the importance of clarifying your goals and dreams, and how doing so can help you live a more fulfilling life. Before we dive into the topic, let's first define what we mean by goals and dreams. Goals are specific, measurable, and time-bound aspirations that you want to achieve. Dreams, on the other hand, are more abstract and often involve a desire for a certain lifestyle or state of being. Both goals and dreams are important for leading a fulfilling life, as they provide direction and motivation. Clarifying your goals and dreams is important for several reasons. First, it helps you get a better understanding of what you truly want out of life. When you know what you want, you can start taking steps towards it, and you'll be more likely to achieve it. Second, clarifying your goals and dreams helps you stay focused and motivated. When you have a clear understanding of what you want, you'll be less likely to get sidetracked or discouraged by setbacks. Now that you know why clarifying your goals and dreams is important, let's talk about how to do it. There are several techniques you can use, including journaling, write down your goals and dreams, and reflect on them regularly. Vision boards, create a visual representation of your goals and dreams using images and words. Brainstorming, get together with friends or family, and bounce ideas off each other. Once you've clarified your goals and dreams, it's time to start taking action. This means breaking down your goals into smaller, achievable steps, and working towards them consistently. Remember, taking action is what will bring your goals and dreams to life. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and that you're now inspired to clarify your own goals and dreams. But before going, why don't you subscribe and click on notification bell?